History shows that even towering titans stumble when strategic guardrails fail and time erodes certainty. Edison, Ford, Enron, and Kodak exemplified bold bets that outpaced execution, revealing how culture, finance, and timing collide to redefine risk. The analysis shifts from blame to patterns, over-reliance on a single creed, incentives misaligned with durable value, and the blind spot of growth without discipline. Mindset shifts emerge, urging diversified bets, rigorous scenario planning, and transparent governance as antidotes. In the end, the past becomes a compass guiding sustainable innovation and resilient strategy.